Hey there, what's up? Chris here from jugglingsecrets.com, and the question is, what is the secret to juggling? Okay, so something that's actually kind of fun to think about is juggling is a lot easier than people realize, and the reason for it is because every aspect of juggling can be broken down into easily consumable parts. So everything that you do in juggling can be broken down into something. That's what I actually do in the Juggling Secrets Academy. It's a full video course that goes over everything, but everything that comes to like learning tricks and how everything works when it comes to juggling. But this video is specifically about what is the secret to juggling. And one thing that people don't realize is the throw, the actual throwing of the ball, is more important than the catch. And the reason for this is pretty simple. Did you see that? The reason for this is pretty simple. If you think about it, anytime you drop a ball, it goes directly down, right? It doesn't, mysteriously go off the screen, or it doesn't start here and end up landing here, unless it's like a balloon and there's a huge gust of wind or something. But with juggling balls, like this is like a beanbag juggling ball. And I do have a video that talks all about the top recommended juggling balls, so I'll link that up down below if you want to watch that. But the idea here is the ball, wherever it is up here, whenever it's at the top, it's going to go directly down. It's going to land exactly where, exactly below where, the peak is, right? So if you watch this, you'll see that the ball, once it starts to get the curl over, that's where it goes directly down. The path doesn't change. It's not like a crazy thing where, you throw it up to this spot right here and it lands over here in this hand, and it goes directly down for you. So that's the biggest secret to juggling, is to make sure that the throw every single time goes to the perfect spot. And this is the biggest, really it's like the biggest secret to juggling, is making sure that the throw goes to the exact spot that you want it to. And that might sound like a broken record, like me saying it over and over again, but that's the biggest secret, is making sure that the throw goes to the right spot. And a lot of the times, if you're struggling with something, maybe it's a trick, maybe it's a pattern, maybe you just haven't learned how to juggle 3 balls yet, the biggest thing is the throw. If you kind of skip ahead, if you don't know how to juggle 3 yet, and you just try to pick it up and go, you're not going to be able to do it. You need to go, and you need to start, and you need to make sure that the first throw that you do is perfect, that it goes to the exact spot that you want it to, so that way the catch kind of happens naturally. Like if a ball is up here and it drops, it's going to go exactly where you want. And ideally, you'll have your hands at your side, just like this, so that way when the ball is up here, it goes directly into the hand. You don't really need to look and adjust and anything. It just goes directly down. So as long as you see where it is up top, it's going to fall down to that spot. And I know that's like just repetitive words and stuff, but that's really the biggest secret to juggling, is making sure that the throw goes exactly to the right spot. So if you got value out of this, if this answered the question, can you give it a thumbs up? YouTube really appreciates it when people actually interact with the video. So leave a comment down below if this helped, and also subscribe to this channel. I built this up to provide you with a bunch of free educational training stuff on juggling, so that way you can start juggling and learn everything that I know about it and get better at it. And look, you'll even drop sometimes when you're practicing. But also, I have a special gift for you if you don't know how to juggle yet, and you're curious and you want to know why, and you actually like me on camera for whatever reason. I appreciate it. But I do have a 3-ball video that teaches you step by step how to juggle 3 balls. I'm giving that to you for free, absolutely for free, just as a thank you. So I'm going to link that up in the description down below. All you got to do is click it. It'll take you over to the website where you can get the video for free, so that way you can learn. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you over there.